If you feel like you're a lazy person, or you feel stupid, or you feel like you're a dumb motherfucker, bro, it's okay, because that's how I used to feel too, bro. And I'm lazy as fuck, bro. The whole point on what I was trying to do with my life is get rich without doing shit. Like, actually, bro, I just wanted to get rich the easiest, fastest way, bro. The easiest. Like, I'm lazy, bro. You think I want to do the most? Once I heard what I'm about to tell you, this should change my life. Minimal viable product. What the fuck does that mean? It means a product that you can make that's minimal, but gets people results, or has some type of leverage. For instance, making videos. This is a minimal viable product. All I did was click record, boom, and then I'm gonna upload it, and then millions of people can watch it and make thousands of millions of dollars if I sell a product, or blah blah blah, if I have the right systems in place. You don't have to work hard, bro. You need to work smart and figure out what thing I can do to make the most amount of money without effort, bro. That's TikTok, bro. Making videos in general, selling digital products. That's what I do, bro. If you want to learn, comment down below W and join the free Discord. Link is in my bio, bro. Minimal viable product.